Metal-clad cable can be installed inside electrical metallic tubing or any other approved raceway. The length of the raceway is important because the National Electrical Code specifies maximum lengths for using metal-clad cable without needing extra support. For raceways with diameters between 1/2 inch and 1 inch, the maximum allowable length is 6 feet. For raceways larger than 1 inch in diameter, the maximum length extends to 10 feet. If a raceway exceeds these maximum lengths, you must add support to prevent the metal-clad cable from sagging or sustaining damage. Acceptable support methods include straps, hangers, and other suitable techniques that are NEC compliant. Besides electrical metallic tubing, metal-clad cable can also be installed inside other types of raceways, such as flexible metal conduit, rigid non-metallic conduit, and electrical non-metallic tubing. When installing metal-clad cable in any raceway, several general requirements must be followed. Firstly, the raceway must be securely fastened to the building structure. Secondly, the metal-clad cable must be properly terminated and supported within the raceway itself. Thirdly, both ends of the raceway must be sealed to prevent moisture from entering. Fourthly, the raceway needs to be sized correctly to accommodate the number and size of the conductors inside the metal-clad cable. These general requirements ensure safety and compliance with electrical codes. In summary, metal-clad cable installations within raceways are permissible, provided length limitations are observed and proper support and sealing are implemented. Remember that the National Electrical Code is the ultimate authority on electrical installations. Always refer to the most recent edition of the National Electrical Code and consult with a qualified electrician to ensure code compliance.